What are you doing?
Another one bites the dust.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates, what's up? It is about 5:25 in the morning, and we are on our way to the very first Stockton flea market since quarantine started. And we made it, ladies and gentlemen. As you may know, the last few flea markets that I've been to have not been popping. I went to one market twice, and I'm very bit disappointed. So let's see if we can reinstill some faith in the flea market system today. Made our first $8. That's what's up. So we found a couple things in the drawer. That's why it always pays to look. We always go through things twice. I feel like this is a knife. And it is. Morning, how you doing?
Good, you?
Doing great. Look at that. First day back.
Alright.
Trade.
That's nice, huh? A little bit heavy, but nice.
Can you have that one like that?
Don't lose mine, alright? You want to use this one instead? That's that one you cut butter.
Sure.
Just don't lose it.
There's one from Benji. Look at that.
Yeah. That's what I like about it.
Look at this. First box I open. Finding money. These will end up in the auction probably. Utica Sportsman.
Where did these come from?
That you just put that down. These came out of the dresser drawer that we looked in the other day. Not for sale.
No sale?
No. Not a bad 4 knives though. Well, it's a little busier than the previous market. We are, what, a little over halfway done. Actually making a tiny bit of money. We're selling next to good old Storage Scott today. We got Tony. Can I see what you just did? Look at that. Look at all this liquid that just came out of his rubber gloves. That is disgusting, Tony. What are you doing there? Were those gloves or condoms? We are all set up here. We've seen all this, so there's no reason to walk through this and show you everything, but this is pretty much the low. It was late, but he showed up as well, George. What was that?
How much on this?
How much on this beautiful, fine piece of furniture? What do you think's fair? 150?
Oh no.
How about 15?
15, I mean, where's that? Hey,
He took his
woman!
No.
He'll take it, Tony.
Good.
We even got Scott selling next door with Uncle Mike. He came with me, but he's helping him as well. I think I'll go walk around, take a look real quick, see if we can find anything good. So after walking around, this is the only thing I found that was worth buying for myself. There was like probably 30 something here and 50 something there, and I paid a total of 40 bucks for all of it. That's something I can make money on after shipping and stuff. Might double my money, but that's worth it because you got to figure taxes, etc., etc. But that's a nice little find. Look at George, been off for 3 months, still shows up with a full garbage load. Market was not what I was hoping for, but it was better than the last one. Discuss the details here shortly. For now, we got to go pick up another unit and get ready for Wednesday. Here we are, smack dab at the next storage unit to load up for Wednesday's market. Now to squeeze all of that. What are you doing? You all right over there? Look what Uncle Michael does here at the storage facility.
See, this just turned 60, so I need me a shower chair.
You really gonna use that in the shower?
Yes, what do you think I'm gonna do with it?
I don't know.
Sit down in the shower?
Please don't send photos. We've got it halfway loaded, almost done in here. Uncle Michael needs a quick breather. Real quick though, in case you guys haven't been counting, do me a favor and count who you see going in and out of that trailer the most. That'd do me a favor, please, and let me know in the comments section. Oh my God. Uncle Mike or Pirate? All right, we'll save this for another day. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. It is Wednesday morning and we are on our way to the Wednesday flea market in Stockton, California. We've been to several flea markets so far and none have panned out the way we wanted them to. Seems ever since lockdown, things have just not been quite the same, but the only way to figure out what to do next is you have to try to figure out how to adapt in that environment. YouTube auctions have slowed down, which a lot of us have been using to supplement our income, has gone a little bit less than it was during lockdown. eBay is very high still, selling lots of stuff on there, doing well, but the flea markets have not picked up the pace. Not to mention, as well as I feel, that couple months in quarantine, I tried to stay physically active, but at the same time, I feel like I've kind of lost a little bit of my step. It feels like I'm sluggish a little bit going back to work. My knee is hurting, my foot's hurting. One thing I don't think many people know, several years ago, I was moving a storage unit and I fell in a truck. I was on top of a load, I jumped off, my foot got caught, I fell down, I slammed my knee into the hardwood floor, shattered my kneecap. At the time, I was a furniture mover and a storage buyer. I just got into the storage business and I would dabble in it, moving furniture still to keep the money coming in. But being the stubborn person I am and being a father who was taking care of both my kids and the kids' mom at the time, I didn't take any time off. I went back to work moving furniture the next day with a shattered kneecap. And I did that for months. The most excruciating pain I've ever dealt with in my life. But the fact is I didn't do nothing about my knee. I let it heal over time. And I feel like I'm dealing with the effects of it long term now as time goes by. Here we are, fast forward almost 10 years later. But we got to keep pushing on. Just noticing the things that have transpired since this whole little quarantine thing, everything that, whatever. We got about a 50-minute drive to get to our flea market, so I'm going to cut this short and I'm going to get on with my driving, and we'll talk later when we get there. Let's get this party started. No, what? Those are locker nuts, aren't they?
Locker nut challenge.
Mixed nuts. Go ahead, eat them. I dare you.
Will he do it?
First sale of the day, books for $10. Harry and Lloyd playing games as always. We got the booth. We got customers today. Oh, come on.
Go ahead.
Who remembers this game?
Number 2. Go.
Wow, Tony, come on.
I'm the champ. Yeah. Fix.
Harry and Lloyd at it again. Always wait. Come on.
Go ahead. I'll give you the
Lloyd, you're disappointing me.
Like this,
Come on.
right, hey? Give it.
Oh! Winner, chicken dinner. These guys over here playing pencil fight. I was just talking about this the other day. Laws of attraction, I guess. You speak of something, it comes back to you. But these two are fools. All right. We are done. It's 8:08 a.m. Trailer unloaded. Everything's swept. Boom. Ready to go for the next day. Our load is out here. I don't know what George is breaking over here. The booth is set up. We got lots of customers. Well, I should buy lots. I mean, 22 of them. Uncle Michael, he's working for Scott today, and he's already on his break as well. That looks like $3. 4. 12. 6. The wind is blowing in everybody's face, believe it or not. But we're here to make money, so we're gonna try to do a little bit of recording, getting what some sales look like. Maybe I'll do a walk around. The market itself is kind of dead. I showed you guys what it was like the previous day. It's kind of dead. What would you like to know?
How much is the metal desk?
That metal desk way over there?
Yeah.
That looks like $20. I like messing with these guys. Don't be a chicken. Don't be a chicken.
Get out of here!
Will I take 20? Yes. From 21.75 to 20.
I need that for the night.
How much is your money?
Market is definitely happening. I'm sitting in the trailer. Funny, I got a comment the other day. This is what cracks me up about people in this world. Look at my eyes. I'm so tired from hustle, grind, and wine. So a guy comments today, he's like, all Pirate does is he goes to work and he has people do all the work and he just sits in the trailer. And I'm thinking to myself, the irony of this troll is obviously he has never in his life ran a business. Okay, so here's an example. When you work at Taco Bell, do you think Mr. Bell is on the front line making tacos, or is he paying people to do their job, and that's why he's doing what he's doing, overseeing everything, while those being paid does their job? That's the irony thing. So it cracks me. I love you trolls. I just want to say, I love you trolls that do stuff like this. You try to make somebody else look ridiculous, but the fact is you show your lack of intelligence in those type of comments. How you doing on sales?
Okay.
I made a few.
Got $100.
What? Yeah.
Make silencers out of this.
They make what?
Silencers.
Explain to me how you make a silencer out of
Take this
this.
apart, right? Take
Okay.
this apart, and then inside here,
All right.
there's a little thing right here
Mhm.
that's threaded. And then the washers, when you take this under, there's washers in there.
Okay.
And these have washers built in them. Pop one into the washers out. You thread that thing. Some of them are already threaded. And then you thread them in there. You put the washer in between them. Sometimes some people put steel wool in between them, whatever. Then just make your connection. You tie it off the end. You put the, like this is, hold it tight, and you make your attachment whatever gun you have.
And then you just put on a gun?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How-to video, guys. Look at this, guys. Tony is always hard at work.
Mr. Clean.
He's always trying to get employee of the month. Every day. George don't do a damn thing. George is good at talking. How much is what?
And then I have that.
Oh, look at all that. That's scrap copper right there. Look, it's got penguins on. Let's see this. Let's see this. That is cute.
How much?
Oh, you want some more copper?
No.
Oh. Thought you might.
That's only.
That's
copper
pretty nice.
plated
What's this
anyway.
worth, Jack?
$1 million.
All right, not bad. I don't know. What are you going to price all this for? I was just looking at it. You're in charge of price. I just here.
$3 on that.
Three.
I don't know what.
This right here. This looks like. Give me 5.
I'll rewind my slot car with this. That'll be good.
Rewind slot cars. You can use this for your electrical
Well, I'm thinking
meter.
my slot car with this heavy stuff. You know,
Oh, okay.
with that big beef.
Are these Beats by Dre?
Beats by Dre? No, Tony, that's $1 though.
$1.
$1. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, it is for 20. That was the $30 tarp.
Yeah.
No, that one's just been slashed down to 22.
That too?
I say it's at least 12. It's a good meat grinder. You put your meat in there and you grind it up. You make your own sausage, bacon, whatever you want to do. Thank you. The cabinet is 10.
You gotta say 11 o'clock, that's it. No more communication. It's me time.
Yeah, well, I'm working on YouTube.
Yeah, you got it. Do it. Shut down 11, that's it. Cause you get up at 3, right?
No.
4?
I get up on today. I got up at 4:30. I literally pulled out of bed at 4:45. Like I said, pulled out of bed, like I'm driving a truck and trailer.
Are you coming tomorrow or no?
No, I'm not.
You're good
I need a break. This is already wearing me out. I've been on so many flea market days already.
You've got another load of this stuff.
This unit's done, but I have another thing I got to go through, and I don't have time to get it prepared by then, because this all like literally needs to be filmed.
Oh, your storage stuff.
Yeah.
The big one and the 3400.
Yes.
You still haven't gone through that one?
Which one?
The 3400 and
No.
the big one.
This is the 3400 unit. It's
Okay.
I have 100 boxes to go through from that.
They have-
Then I have like everything from the $34,000 unit to go
Right.
through, and then I have all of the Murata unit to go through.
Ah, so you're backed up.
I got a Monday and Wednesday low, but I got to prep for them. You look like a ninja. I didn't even see you.
I know.
He's all incognito, huh?
Look away.
Doesn't he look like a ninja? He's all covered up, face, everything. Snuck in. Well, Michael over here counting his banker wad. Look at that. Yeah, that's so cute. I like how you do that. What about this would make you my thumbnail, though?
Because it's ironic.
Oh, so I can clickbait. Like, security officer came and busted me at the flea market, and then I could tell everybody cops called.
Get down. Give me all your money.
I try not to sell drama, Scott. You can fit you, Uncle Mike, Tony, and George in that jacket.
Tacho, I need help. Where's he at?
Offer him 10.
She ignores us.
$1.
Watermelon. She don't even acknowledge us.
I want watermelon.
Shut up, bro.
Baby, man.
I want what?
You know what? I'll take only 2. Oh, you need is 2, right?
Yeah, you could just work one leg at a time. You need one. You guys having a sale over here? $1 cada uno? Offer him 50 cents.
No, I need $1. Yeah, we get $1. If it's not $1,
Compra más de sale más barato.
Oh, hell, don't act like you speak Spanish.
Don't act like I don't.
One, two.
It's almost as Native American right here.
Thank you. I got nice stuff in here, Mike.
No, you don't. That's why you're having a dollar
All the
sale.
leftover stuff is good.
I don't know if it fits my daughter.
$1. How about I just leave them for you and you sell them and you keep the money?
I think you'd make more on eBay, no?
No, you can't. I'm not selling that heater on eBay right there. Probably a $20 bill. It's just annoying to deal with. I'd rather just leave them for you. Put them in your room at night so you can be warm.
What?
Ready to call it a day, Tony?
Almost.
No, I am.
How many sell these?
These are $12 each.
12?
Yeah, you can have both for $24.
That's not bad, you know?
Like what, 40 a piece?
Easily. They're Presto heat dishes.
Presto.
Gold standard.
$2.
$2. We need to cut a deal. We have to go through your pocket.
Ah,
That's
see,
not
so
George.
That's the only thing that we're...
Yeah, your business that
Step into the office then, sir.
What office?
You want to go here?
I guess. You don't like to be out in the open?
No.
All right, let's go right here.
What if money will fly? I don't need all this money flying all over the place. Boss gets angry.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Money Man.
That's 40. It was 40 for the...
Now I gotta count all this. My receipt for my taxes. All right, we avoid having a dollar sale, but the reason we do that is to give the guys who clean up everything extra money to make. Here's $67.01. That is going to George for his services of hauling off the stuff. Then we got Tony, who gets $100 for doing his services. So we're gonna go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And for the first time in several days, I'm actually going to walk away with a little bit of cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 350, 70, 80, 90, 410. That's not too bad. These guys will sit here. You guys should start having a dollar sale early today, by the way. Wait.
Well, no, because if you're not coming tomorrow, I'm going to bundle it and then we'll resell tomorrow.
That's what you're going to do with all this?
There you go.
All right.
Because if you're not coming tomorrow,
No, I'm not, and you can use my spot. So I guess these guys will resell everything of a dollar sale tomorrow.
Yeah.
Probably haul off a little trash.
we'll squeeze it like a lemon.
These guys here will basically throw their stuff away. Where's your guy? You guys gonna box all your stuff up for them? We're pulling off. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. I actually walked away with a little bit of money today. After paying the guys, I have $410. So that's the plus. That's the first market I've done that at, and so far in 1, 2, 3, 4 flea markets post-quarantine. So it's moving in the right direction, but this place is dead. This is a dead flea market. We're not even close to back to normal yet, so just gotta fill it out and adapt. Let me know how your markets are in your area, if you've either been shopping or if you've been selling at one. Let me know if yours are going back to normal or how you're doing. I know I didn't jump on the bandwagon the second they came out right away. I stayed at home, but I know the first few days of other people's markets were great. But anyway, comment below. And let me go finish with my day. I'm gonna go home. I gotta pack eBay items. I gotta pack YouTube auction items. I gotta do some, maybe load real quick at my storage type stuff, make some room, because the whole unit that we've been trying to get stuff out of is kind of full. So maybe make some room on the way we hit town. We're back at the house. It's been a long day already. I always look just kind of like wore out. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the hustle, grind, rewind mentality. We got this young man over here. He's making eBay ads. Hi, young man. Me, I'm grabbing stuff off the shelf and packing the eBay items because they got to get out today, and I got to get the auction stuff done as well. Now we got the packages all in the back seat. I got Cookie Monster with me. We're taking a break, and we are going to the post office. Yeah, that's a whole lot of buttons.
We'll put you on pain relief.
Is that your bed over there, that couch? I walked away with actual $410 in profit today, so it wasn't a total loss. Like the last 3 days to me have been a wipe, but at least we made some money. But I still feel that adaptation is going to be the key to success because the flea market is not right now producing in any way what I anticipate it to.